What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. This is lecture 12 or exercise 12 in our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay, exercise 12. In this exercise, you will create a program that will begin by reading in a measurement in feet from the user. Then, your program should display the equivalent distance in inches, yards, and miles. You may use the internet to look up the necessary conversion factors if you don't have them memorized. Okay, so again, guys, nothing too difficult. A simple exercise that is very fun and interesting. So there's no constants to set up here, nothing that necessary. Uh, Optional, I would say, because of the fact that we need to have the inches, yards, and miles conversion rate from feet, right, into those respective ones. Um, First things first, we may proceed to actually set up our input prompt. So let's do an int input. We may proceed to store this in feet. Reason being, they said in this exercise you will create a program that will begin by reading in a measurement of feet. Right? Keyword there is feet. So let's do an int input. You may do a float if you like. I'll do an int. Please enter the number of feet. Okay, that's excellent. So next comes the actual conversions. I've looked them up for us and I'll write them down for you now. Essentially, it's important to understand that, let's make that a comment for you so you know, right? So what's important to understand, I've looked them up on Google and it said that there's actually 12 inches in 1 foot. Let's make this foot. Yeah, 12 inches in 1 foot. They said that there is 3 feet in 1 yard, and they also said that there is, this is a large number, 5280 feet in 1 mile. That's our conversion rates, to get them all into from feet into the respective conversion units or metric units. That's fine. Guys, let's move on. So we can have simple calculations to actually store it for us. Feet multiplied by 12, that's inches. Next would be yard is equals to feet over 3. Then we have mile is equals to feet over 5280. That's excellent. Now comes the final part of this exercise, would be to actually print those units out to the screen. So you know what, guys? I'm actually going to come back up here, and I'm going to change this to float. I think it would be cooler if the user actually can enter, a floating point number as the number of feet, so then we can format the output appropriately, correspondingly. Let's do a Yeah, let's do this now, right? So what we'll say is, first I want to do dot 2f feet converts to percentage dot 2f inches. And here you guys know we'll specify for the in a tuple in parenthesis the values that's going to take the places of those placeholders. So feet for the first placeholder, and then we have a inch. Correct. Very good. Another one, percentage dot 2f feet converts to percentage dot 2f. This will be yards. I spelled that wrong. Okay, yards. Percentage to denote the formatting, feet and yard. Print percentage dot 2f feet converts to percentage dot 2f mile. Okay, very good. Percentage, and then this will be feet, yard, and okay, mile. That should be it. Yeah, let's do a test run for this program. Control enter. So yeah, also as we are coding along, I'll let you know some very cool, since I am using Spider. I have been using Spider for some time, as you know. So yeah, I'll let you know some cool shortcuts that you can use to like kind of speed up your programming, make yourself more productive, kind of ease the limit of you having to move around on your keyboard. So what you can do is to run your script when you are in the editor, just press Control Enter and it will run that for you. So for number of feet, I'm going to do a test run. I'm going to enter maybe 300. Remember, you can enter a float if you like, because we changed it up here in our program input. So let's do a 300, and there we see. That's excellent. 300 feet converts to 3,600 inches. 300 feet, 100 yards. 300 feet converts to 0.06 miles. Okay, that's super cool. Let's do one more test run. I'd like to enter a value of, let's say, 528. Now let's enter something more interesting. 3508.32. Okay, there we have it. Super cool, very useful program. Okay, that successfully concludes this exercise, guys. I thank you so much for watching, and I thank you for your time. Do be sure to leave a like for the video, and subscribe to my channel, and share these videos with your fellow colleagues or friends or classmates and so on. It will help them to learn as well as help my channel to grow. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a good one and take care.